Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satil here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. And today I'm gonna show how to fix HP printer error code 0xc4eb827f on Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. The first step is go to the start menu and in the search bar type troubleshooting and hit enter in troubleshoot settings. Open the additional troubleshooter in this window. Select this text option, additional troubleshooter. You have one list of classificatory depend of your function. In this case, I select printer, find and fix problems when printing, and click on run this troubleshooter. Wait a moment. If you receive any message in this case, select next, close, select additional Windows guide prompt, close and close. For ending this process, restart your computer to apply the change, and I hope to help you in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.